Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about the previous year question of Corporate Accounting 2 from University of Madras. In April 2017, Part B, this question is from Bank Account Chapter. Let me read the question. On 31st March 2014, a bank held the following bills discounted by its earlier. The date of bill 2014, terms of bill in months, discounted at a percentage per annum, amount of bills. The date of bill is 17th January 2014, the terms of bill is 4 months, and the discount of bill is 17, and the amount of bill is 7,30,000, and the second category 7th February is date of bill, and 3 is terms of bill, and 18 is discounted percentage per annum, and 14,60,000 is amount of bills, and the third category 9th March is date of bill, 3 is terms of bill, and 17.5 percentage is discounted rate, and the amount of bill is 3,64,000. You are required to calculate the rebate on bills discounted. Also show the necessary journal entry for the rebate. Based on this information, we have to find out the calculation of due date of bills. The first category, the bill was created on 17th January 2014. The time period of bill is 4 months. So how can we calculate? First we have to mention 17th January, then 17th February plus 17th February plus 17th March plus 17th April plus 17th May. So except 17th January, we have to take 4 months. So that is why the due date of bill will be on 17th May plus 3 days as grace days. So the due date will be on 20th May 2014. The opening date of bill is 31st March 2014. In this concept, we do not take bills created date. It means we do not take 17th January 2014 as opening date. So we have to take only the question's balance sheet. So as per the bank rules and regulations, the bank usually closes its accounts on 31st March 2014. So that is why the 31st March 2014 is considered as the opening date of bills. So we have to take this date as opening date for all 3 categories. First we have to mention from 31st March 2014 to 20th May 2014 how many days between these dates. In April 30 days, in May 17 days plus 3 days as grace days, so the total days are 50 days. And the second category, the bill was created on 7th February 2014. The time period of bill is 3 months, so 7th February plus 7th March plus 7th April plus 7th May plus 3 days as grace days. Except 7th February, we have to take 3 months. So the due date will be on 10th May 2014. The opening date of bill is on 31st March 2014. As I said earlier, we do not take the bills created date. So we have to take only the accounts closing date or balance sheet date. So from 31st March 2014 to 10th May 2014, how many days between these 2 dates are? In April 30 days, May 7 days, and 3 days as grace days. So the total days are 40 days. And the third category, the bill was created on 9th March 2014 and the time period of bill is 3 months. So 9th March plus 9th April plus 9th May plus 9th June plus 3 days as grace days. So the due date will be on 12th June 2014 including grace days. So the opening date of bill is on 31st March 2014 as per the question. If you do not know which date is the opening date, so you can take the balance sheet closing date. So you can see this date in question. And from 31st March 2014 to 12th June 2014, how many days between these two dates are? In April 30 days, in May 31 days, in June 12 days plus 3 days as grace days. So the total days are 73. Then we are going to calculate the rebate on bills discounted. In date of bills column, first we have to mention bills created date. The first category, the bills created date is on 17th January 2014. The date of maturity, it means the due date. So the due date of bill is on 20th May 2014 and the third number of days away from 31st 3 2014. It means the opening date of bills. The total number of days are 50 and the discount rate is 17% and the amount of bill is rupees 7,30,000 and we are going to calculate the discount rate. So the amount of bill is 7,30,000 multiplied with 17 divided by 100, we get some amount of total discount for a year. Then we have to convert the discount amount into 50 days. So 7,30,000 multiplied with 17 divided by 100, then multiply with 50 divided by 365, we get 17,000 as discount for 50 days. And the second, the bills was created on 7th February 2014 and the due date of bill is on 10th May 2014 and the number of days of bill is 40 and the discount rate is 18% and the amount of bill is 14,60,000 and the discount amount for a year is 14,50,000 multiplied with 18 divided by 100, we get some amount of discount for a year. Then we have to convert that discount amount into for 40 days. So 14,60,000 multiplied with 18 divided by 100, then multiply with 40 divided by 365, we get the amount of 28,800 as discount. And the third category, the bill was created on 9th March 2014 and the due date of bill is on 12th June 2014 and the number of days of bill is 73 and the percentage of bill is 17.5% and the amount of bill is rupees 3,64,000 and the amount of bill is rupees 3,64,000 and the discount value is 3,64,000 multiplied with 17.5 divided by 100 multiplied with 73.365, we get 12,740 as discount. Then after finding the discount value, we have to add all these discount amount, we get the total discount amount is 58,540, that is called closing rebate on bills discounted. Then we have to prepare the journal entry for adjusting discount rate First, we have to mention in the date column as 31st March 2014. So in particular column, we have to mention as the discount received account data. So the total discount amount is rupees 58,540, and to rebate on bills discounted account data, the amount is rupees 58,540. So the adjustment made for discount not yet earned on bills discounted. It means so we made some adjustment against the rebate on bill discounted with the discount received account. That's all.